John, over there at ThreatLocker, you guys have something called the MDR War Room, which is the Managed Detection and Response War Room. It's kind of like a SOC. It's the way you look at it. So I want to know, like, how that all works from detection to response.
Managed detection and response is essentially a security operations center that we provide for clients. We are able to handle, identify and remediate threats as they occur in real time. We commonly see initial access taking place from things like SSL VPNs, web applications, exposed management ports. These are all common things that, organizations have to have, for day-to-day business continuity. But it does introduce attack surface that is ultimately, in certain scenarios, exploited by threat actors. Oftentimes, threat actors are exploiting VPNs and gaining like some sort of authentication bypass or remote code execution that ultimately allows them to put a rogue asset onto a corporate network.
They're just logging into the actual VPN itself?
That's exactly what they're doing. They're able to bypass authentication and take their system that has all of their tools ready to roll and actually placing it onto a corporate network.
Everyone's getting hit. But then again, you may be seeing some more targeted attacks too. I'm assuming you're getting the gamut.
Everything from, more advanced, complex attack chains to simplistic things.
What is, though, ThreatLocker's unfair advantage in delivering MDR services?
To put it simply, ThreatLocker seamlessly integrates our managed detection and response capabilities with our deny by default functionality. So we're actually able to, reduce a lot of the attack surface for our customers and still get the benefit of detective responses following up on the tail end. For
those of you who want to learn more about ThreatLocker's suite of products, but more importantly, this MDR service that is like, if you're already a ThreatLocker customer, it's kind of a no-brainer to jump on. Just go to their website, threatlocker.com/CISO. Do me a favor, just add the /CISO at the end. It's the quickest way to let them know that you learned about them through the CISO series.